All right, let's talk about Donner. We're getting some images already coming in from Mindy Osterman, who lives up there. This is outside of her home. You can see the snow really starting to pile up, and it's going to get pretty bad tonight into tomorrow morning. So please stay safe out there. And we'd love to see all of your photos, whether you're in the valley, foothills, or up in the Sierra. Send us your photos by uploading them on the ABC 10 app and let us know what conditions are like where you are. All right, let's talk about the 24-hour storm total so far in the Sierra. We're reaching just about 1.5 feet there. Sierra Snow Lab, Sugar Bowl, 20 inches. Palisades, Tahoe, 17. Kirkwood, 12. 16 at Kingvale. You're looking at Yuba Pass, 12 inches. So a foot there. Heavenly at 10. 10 at Bear Valley. Blue Canyon, 4 inches. But now this is where we're seeing a lot of that moisture starting to hit hard into the foothills, turning to snow quickly for the high elevations. And we will see these numbers really rising as we start moving into tomorrow morning with those updated numbers, I'm sure, in those 30s and potentially 40s at 40 inches. Right now in the Big Mountain backyard, we're looking at mid-50s in Sacramento, low 60s, Stockton, Modesto, 52 in Marysville, Tahoe at freezing point. Now take a look at the line of showers that have been moving in. We have been receiving here early detection rotation on our radar, meaning, hey, if this gets bad, we could potentially see a tornado warning. So far, a lot of them just funnel clouds starting to form up there and a lot pushing up into those foothill spots where we're starting to see things get very dicey with the strong winds as well as the breakup of the clouds, creating that unstable atmosphere. You have a little bit of heat rolling in with the cold Arctic air. Now the wind's kicking up, so it's a lot of elements at once, creating a lot of these early detection rotations happening here. And we've been seeing special statements being issued. We just saw one expire around San Francisco, and we even had a tornado warning in the Mariposa area. You can see even thunderstorms still continuing just south of Sonora. All right, as we take a look at the satellite radar, the low is kind of moving its way just toward the east here, but we have another one right behind it that's continuing the momentum here, and that's going to deepen that trough for us. You can actually see the breakup of clouds happening over the Pacific, creating that unstable weather condition that continues to push its way onshore for us this evening. Through tonight, we could still see some thunderstorm chances, but a lot of that should start slowing down when it comes to thunderstorms. We should just start seeing some very heavy rainfall as well as snowfall for the Sierra. As you can see, it really starting to pick up in the Sierra spots. A lot of that snowfall starting to add up in that blue shade. And we do have that blizzard warning in effect until 4 a.m. on Sunday. And you see just how widespread that is in orange, extending all the way down close to Yosemite there. And also taking a look at that futurecast radar. We have a wind advisory in the valley. So we have strong wind gusts through tomorrow morning, up to about 35, even 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. When we see these thunderstorms rolling in, that's also going to bring us some downpours all at once. And they have been coming in a little bit of these fine little lines pushing through for us as those bands of rain continue to head toward the southeast. We'll be looking late tonight at some lower elevation snow near Arnold and Sonora. As you can see that pushing its way down. And finally into the early Saturday morning hours, areas around Truckee, South Lake Tahoe not looking too low in elevation as they're running out of moisture. But just take a look a little further south from Placerville down. You're looking at that low elevation snowfall, scattered showers in the valley. Things start breaking up for us by Saturday afternoon, but the snow continues to come down into Sunday. We see less moisture in the valley, but still a few scattered showers, still continued snow showers in the Sierra Monday. A slight chance to see some more rain. All right, wind gusts anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour picking up in the Sierra and continuing to create those blizzard conditions for us. We will expect to see some of those snowfall totals again, as mentioned, pushing upwards of 40 inches into Saturday and even as high here as potentially 65 inches into Sunday. Now that 10-day forecast for us, that'll bring us our temperatures in the mid-50s to upper 50s, low 60s next week. But right now, we're not concerned about the temperatures. We're concerned about these dangerous conditions.
California weather is a land of extremes.
From dangerous heat, droughts, and wildfire,
to severe storms, flooding, and mountains of snow.
Plus, the occasional tornado.
Keeping you prepared takes a team.
We have decades of experience forecasting this diverse region.
Our job doesn't stop at the forecast.
We investigate what's happening to our climate so you can be ready.
Helping you prepare for today and stay safe tomorrow. With a weather team you can trust, only on ABC 10.
Hi, I'm Alex Bell. Join me weeknights at 6:30 on To The Point. Instead of just reporting on the problems, we cut through the noise and look for solutions. We're not afraid to investigate local stories. We're not afraid to include different perspectives. We're not afraid to hold those in power accountable. This is your community, and it's my community too, and we're here to make it better for everyone. Join me, Alex Bell, on To The Point, weeknights at 6:30, only on ABC 10.